Hi guys, who are gone? Welcome to Jamaica Jam Rock Jam Dong or Fiwi Likkle Dot. We're here with Ari Natural.
Blessed love.
As customary, you know, we have a song to sing. I am told you know this one.
Yeah.
Right.
Which month the donkey can? Alright.
Right.
So, tell me which month the donkey can call.
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 January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Tell me which month the donkey can call.
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 January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Shut.
Alright. So, speaking of August, in this month we have two very important events happening. Usually Jamaicans do a mashup and call it emancipendence, meaning emancipation and
Independent.
independence. What were you taught about emancipation as a child?
We used to cook big feasts and everything to recognize the country and, celebrate emancipation and freedom of our people.
Alright, what did it mean to you as a child hearing everybody talking about emancipation and all of those lovely statues and stuff like that were made and the feasts and the festivals and stuff like that? What did it mean to you?
Well, as a child, say anything you see auntie, uncle them are doing, you go basically follow. It was fun. It was very fun, to dress up in your Jamaican colors and march out and have your flag. And my favorite part was the food. Was definitely the food. Well, them time they, you see curry goat and white rice and some nice flour. But my brother used to run competition who can eat the most dumpling. So it's either 6 or 8. So that would be the total.
Who do you remember as one national hero that fought for emancipation and stood out to you?
Nanny. Yo, that woman is strong. That woman is strong. Her strength. And I see a little of that in my mommy, because she's a very strong black woman.
What does freedom mean to you, and have you expressed any of that in your music?
Freedom? Yes, I believe so. I have a song that says stand tall. Right? Freedom to me is not what somebody says, like, for example, having emancipation or independence. Because we celebrate that yearly does not mean that we are free. You have to free up yourself. And until you're free up here and your soul is free, that to me is freedom. Freedom to be your own self, to be whatever it is that you want to be, to express your own individuality. And yes, that is in my music. I preach that every single day.
Can I hear a piece of Stand Tall?
Sure, no problem. Stand tall, be proud of who you are. Hypocrites of them a try to start a war, but them can't still see I think in no way. If you have no confidence in yourself, you are twice defeated in the race of life. Tell them say them can't still see I beat me. We don't need no guns and we don't need no knives. We use the words of Marcus Garvey. His words are with me. No matter how them try to defeat me. Children of King Selassie, positivity follow it. Teach the truth of humanity. Stand tall.
Right. What does independence mean to you?
I want people to know that you don't necessarily have to go in a store every day and purchase outfit. The same amount of money that you're going to use to purchase a blouse or a skirt, you can buy that fabric for way less and go home and make 1 or 2 outfits out of that.
Or get people like Ari Natural to make them for you.
Right, you know, just call
You don't have to go to the big name brands, the global, international brands to make unique, nice clothing that fit you and your style. So whether you're African Jamaican, Indian Jamaican, Chinese Jamaican, any type of Jamaican, once you are buying and supporting your own local products, we love it for that, because that is the only way we're going to become self-sustainable. Some Jamaicans think that Africa is the true motherland. What are your views on repatriation? Back to Africa.
I mean, we were born here, yeah, but naturally, like for me now, growing up, I felt like I was born here, but I'm not from here. You understand what I'm saying? My spirit is from elsewhere. And growing up and learning about Africa, everything became one. Like I'm like, okay, that is where I'm from, Africa. Because no connect with me more. You understand? So it's not more physical, but a mental state. We need to get back there. I believe that Africa is the mother for everybody. That is where everything started, and that is where everything should end.
Before we end the show, the producer has brought out some stuff here. I think I'm a little bit too young for this game. I'm gonna ask Ari if she can identify any of these things.
Oh Lord. If children from my year don't know about them here, something wrong with their brain.
Something wrong with my brain.
Oh dear. How you use them here? First of all, your cold pot right here, so you put your mesh over it. You rest this on the cold pot and make it go on heat. But you have to make sure you have a piece of cloth or something to hold it on, because everything will get hot. You set your clothes on the iron board, and then you have another piece of fabric right here, so you rub it on it first. And then you press your pants or your skirt or whatever it is. So this used to be with iron. I not forget all when time hurricane come, and then we have to run back to. So we don't dash them with. This now, please, you know say if you don't know about this, you don't know say, you don't know if you have no chatterbox auntie where I press your hair for you go to school the next day, because she could burn off your entire head. So as I said, you needed to have a cold pot or your stove, your stand stove, and you leave it for a while until it gets hot. So you know it gets hot? This turn red. And then they had a piece of fabric that they would just rub it on, and then you comb it here, and then, so this is used the entire time, you know, just know that, because that was very dangerous.
I don't think this would have worked for comb.
After them polish the floor and leave it to set, you know, say you have to go down on your knee, and you have to shine from corner to corner to corner. The hand you get tired, you switch. One day. And them can't come catch you stand up, boy, you use your foot on it. Take your foot off of the brush, and mind you mash it up. The enamel. Yes, when Granny used to send you go pipe, and you know they used to have the smaller one where that's how your chimney you push underneath your bed and wake up in the middle of the night and pee.
Alright. I was told something about bami. No, I love bami.
But you don't know
I don't know how it makes.
My grandmother, they used to grate the cassava. They used to leave it out for a while for it to basically kind of air dry. And then them have it in yourself and them sieve. And sieve. This is what they used to form out the bami. Right? And this is what they put the bami on and push it in the fire.
Okay.
See there? Flip him now. Alright. I remember these. Oh my gosh. I remember the $10 and the $20. This used to be a lot of money, you know? Going to primary school.
Yeah. And this is Fiwi Likkle Dot. You were here with TK and Ari.
Diamond you